Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out my latest drawing video. Today's lesson, I'm going to be sharing with you how to draw a cartoon dragon. That's right, it's going to be a simple one anyone can do. Even your mom and dad. You should challenge them. That's it, challenge them. Alright, so before we get started, make sure you have your pencil and some paper. You got those two things? You got everything you need to do. Alright, so let's begin this lesson and have some fun, of course. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Hey, I hope you enjoyed doing this video lesson. It was a fun one for me to create for you. Those 3 easy steps, those 1, 2, and 3. So I hope you learned something different, maybe not, but you can also take it to the next level by changing it to your style or something different, even coloring it in. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do so you keep updated with all the current stuff that we're working on and some new stuff that we're going to be sharing and introducing to you too. So once more, thanks for checking out this video, and I hope you have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.